Welcome to the Stock Mirror platform, where we skip the noise and see the signal. Today, we are looking at GTPL Hathway Limited, which recently released its earnings for the quarter ending December 31st, 2025. Let's jump into revenue growth. Consolidated revenue grew 5% year on year. Broadband revenue grew 4% year on year. This was offset by a 2% decline in cable TV subscription revenue. Placement and marketing revenue declined 5% quarter on quarter. The company aims to return to its historical 11 to 12% revenue growth rate. Now moving to margin change. The margin change category is expansion, though impacted by exceptional items. Net profit increased 19% quarter on quarter and 9% year on year. Margins were supported by operating efficiencies and lower costs. However, they were reduced by one-time employee costs of 22 million rupees and a right of use impact of 55 million rupees. Looking next at cost change. The cost change category is reduction. Management delayed around 120 crore rupees of planned cable business capital expenditure. Full year capital expenditure guidance was revised down to 270 to 300 crore rupees. The GTPL Infinity platform is expected to drastically reduce future bandwidth and delivery costs. Zooming into investments, the long-term focus is on the GTPL Infinity or HITS satellite platform. This enables bundled services like TV, broadband, and OTT. The platform is built on one of the world's largest C-band teleport infrastructures with a planned capacity of nearly 800 channels. Short term, the focus is on scaling broadband infrastructure in 6 target cities. Let's double-click on important questions. First, cable TV revenue declined about 2% due to a dip in active subscribers. Placement revenue fell 5% quarter on quarter, linked to broadcaster costs. Second, one-time employee costs will reduce next quarter. Benefits from the HITS platform are expected to drive future margin improvement. Third, the HITS platform eliminates high delivery costs. This makes serving low-density and rural areas viable, opening access to all 350 million Indian households. Next up, outlook. The long-term outlook is positive. Management targets 11 to 12% revenue growth and 30 to 40% EBITDA growth, driven by the HITS platform. The short-term outlook is cautiously positive. Revenue growth momentum is expected to resume with an aggressive push post-launch. Margin improvement is anticipated in coming quarters as platform benefits materialize and one-time costs subside. Brief update on tailwinds and headwinds. Key tailwinds include the launch of GTPL Infinity, which drastically reduces delivery costs. Government policy focus on broadband is also a tailwind. Headwinds include a decline in cable TV active subscribers and pressure on placement revenue. One-time cost impacts are also a headwind. Now, for the detailed view, please check the Stock Mirror platform link in the description below. Thank you for watching our Stock Mirror earnings insights. If you found this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more updates.